Hi guys, welcome back again in today's beautiful video. Beloved, how are you all doing today? I hope everyone are doing good, right? So I have come today with another great opportunity, great topic, great recipe that will benefit you, that will make you to start smiling again. If you have not been smiling based on business and not moving well, based on you are not making enough sales, based on nobody is patronizing you, I am here to share with you a very wonderful recipe, that can change that. And by special grace of God, after doing this, guys, you will start smiling again. In this particular channel, we teach you how you can use some natural things to solve some of your spiritual problem by the special grace of God. All right, now, if you have been battling with less customer, people are not patronizing. Please guys, pardon the background noise. People are not patronizing you. Whenever you go to your shop, you always come back home empty-handed. People are not asking you whether you are selling or not. I am here to tell you one spiritual and powerful leaf that you can use to solve that problem, even if it is caused by human being, or it is caused by jazz or anything diabolic that anyone has done against your financial breakthrough. This particular recipe will solve that problem. All you have to do is to be consistent in it, and also have faith that what you are doing today is going to do what? Change that story. Okay, it's going to make people to start patronizing you. It's going to bring customers. It's just like a kind of crowd puller, just like a kind of crowd puller to your business area, be it online business or physical store that you are doing. This recipe works wonders. Okay, I've not shown this leaf in this channel before, but I am here to share with you this powerful leaf. This leaf is one of the leaves I use in doing back to senders. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let me introduce to you guys this beautiful leaf that you can use. It's a very simple recipe. If you can perform it very, very well, guys, your story will change. Okay, so this is the leaf I am talking about. This leaf, when you touch it, it will die. Even at the tip finger of you touching this leaf, it will die. This leaf, you cannot just walk in where these leaves are plenty without hurting your legs or your hand. It's going to choke you all over your body, and it's a very powerful touch me not leaf that you can use for back to sender and also for open doors. You can grind it, you can grind it and add in your olive oil. You can also grind it and add in your black soap as a back to sender soap, and it works perfectly well. As nobody touches this leaf and remain the same and remain unharmed. That is how anybody that, when you're using this leaf, that is how anybody that touches you will be harmed. Like, I don't know. See, if you're using this leaf, if you added it inside your black soap or your oil, let me tell you, anybody that touches you or tries to touch you will be harmed. Okay, it's very good in back to sender. All right. So, like I said before, this is the leaf. It is called Touch Me Not the Leaf. Touch Me Not Leaf. Okay. Let me bring it well. This is Touch Me Not Leaf. Okay. So when you get this leaf, when you see it in your environment, it's called touch and die, or you said touch me not leaf. Okay, so when you get this leaf, when you get where this leaf is plenty, you cannot even put your hand and bring the leaf. The moment you're putting your hand to bring the leaf, it's going to be, wounding. It's going to give you like plenty wound on your hand or on your legs. All right, so when you're using it for back to sender, that is how anybody that tries you will be spiritually harmed. It is not a but there are some other things that need to added it up. But now I am here to tell you the prosperity aspect of this leaf, like how you can use it to call customer in your shop. Now listen very well. So when you get this leaf enough, wash it very, very well, and then do what? When you wash it very well, You pound it very, very well. You pound it. You use your mortar to pound it. If you don't have a mortar, you can use your blender to blend the leaf very, very well. And get me a mature coconut water. A matured coconut water. And then use it to do what? To blend the leaf. And after blending it, sieve it and store it inside your sprayable container. Okay, so if you don't have a blender, after pounding it in a mortar, you use your coconut water to do what? To infuse it. After you must have done infusing it, you leave it for like 3 days so that the water from the leaf will come out and soak together with the coconut water. And after doing that, guys, add it inside your sprayable container that looks like perfume, and then pray on it. Pray on this mixture. Tell God what you want God to use this particular leaf to do in your life, in your business, anything that concerns your progress. And after that, guys, this is how you're going to use it. When you go to your shop, after sweeping your shop, after doing normal cleansing, some people don't know how to do cleansing in their shop, and which is very bad. And tomorrow you start complaining, bad luck, people are not coming. Some people will just open their shop and then start bringing goods outside to sell without doing proper cleansing. Every day, whenever you go to your shop, it is expected that you do proper cleansing. How you do proper cleansing? Either you use bitter leaf to do proper cleansing, or you use sea salt to mop your shop and then sprinkle it. By that way, it's going to remove anything negativity in your shop. I don't know if you're getting me. So after you have done sweeping your shop, now use this water to do what? To sprinkle in all your goods. Sprinkle it in all your goods around your shop, at the four corners of your shop. And after that, sprinkle it all over your body and then relax. Believe in God, and God is going to use this to bring customer. Guys, after doing this, in not less than 10 minutes, you are going to start experiencing turnover. You're going to start experiencing plenty customer approaching your shop to patronize you. If you don't have a shop, but you are into online business, early in the morning, after making your prayers, you take your beds, use it to sprinkle on your forehead, your 2 palms, and then that's your laptop or your phone. You sprinkle it a little bit, use something to cleanse it, and then sprinkle the water all over your body. All right, guys, this particular recipe works wonders. It works wonders. So in my next video, I am going to tell you how you can use it for what? For powerful back to sender. That if your enemy touches you spiritually, they will die just like this leaf. You know the name of this leaf? It is called touch and die, or you call it touch me not. Some of you know this leaf, but you don't know that it has a lot of spiritual benefit, which is what I am trying to explain to you, one of the spiritual aspects of this leaf. All right, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like it. Please, after watching this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and also remember to share this video. Okay, thank you guys. I also want to use the opportunity to thank all my subscribers that wishes me, that congratulated me on my childbirth. Okay, may God Almighty bless you for that. And for those who send messages, their gifts, I really appreciate your support. Thank you guys. Thank you. May God Almighty bless you. See you on my next video. Do have a lovely afternoon. Bye.